RV life. So now I get up today, and usually I go to the gym most days, but I get up, I'm going to run. And because I had a stitch, I was stitching a friend of mine. She said, if somebody says, my best friend, anyway, well, no, let me finish the story. So Alexia Flora on TikTok, I met her at Whole Foods here in Burbank. And we fell in love in a Whole Foods place. No, that was Ricky. Okay, we'll get to Ricky later. But so I was gonna go stitch, and I was like, this is perfect. I planned because we have the meet up at Whole Foods today, and I planned I'm gonna go running, and I saw her TikTok, and I was like, fuck yeah, I'm gonna stitch it. And I'm going out the door, and fuck, you know what you hate the most when you're doing something, you're like in the flow, and then somebody or something stops you, right? Fucking hate that shit. But I go out, and I was like, love stopped me, because Cleveland, I'm going to call him Cleveland from now on, but you remember from the previous episode of Camper Life or RV Life, we talked about Greg, right? And that my next door neighbor now, we had to move across the street because of construction. Oh, that was fun. Oh boy, I come home. Let me tell you that story. I come home. This motherfucker's sitting outside. I didn't know he was there though. I didn't see him because let me start again. I come home. This is one story you didn't hear. I come home one day after the gym. Oh, I got home just in the fucking nick of time. Pun intended. My friend Nick Bittinger, check him out on TikTok. He's fucking amazing. But I come home and just in the nick of time, man, I thought that they were stealing my RV. At first I thought they were just robbing me because I saw the door open. I was like, oh God, please help me. I was so terrified. Like, you don't even know. And I was terrified. I was like, oh fuck, am I gonna have to kill somebody right now? What am I gonna do? Like, I don't have that. Like, what am I gonna do? I got my backpack on, my laptop is in there. I got like my headphone, I got my beats and shit, you know what I mean? I got my chargers and everything, and I got my cords, but what the fuck, like, I got food in there, I got my protein shake, everything's going through my mind. I got my composition books. I just ordered a bunch of these because we're going to sell them at the farmer's market. I like all this shit. I got my shampoo, my conditioner, my soap, all this expensive stuff that I just bought, invested in my business. So anyway, and they were in Cleveland standing outside. Now, this is the second time I had met him. I thought he was just, hanging out with my landlord one time, being a big-ass loudmouth. And I met him. He was cool when I met him, But anyway, I came in and I just slammed the door. I said, well, I'm going back to bed. It was 5, but I was tired of that day. I was exhausted. 5 p.m. Y'all know, man, RV life's rough, dude. You say the city never sleeps is New York? No, that's LA, baby. New York too, probably, but it's... in Burbank, it's always filming going on, always something going on, you know what I mean? And so we don't sleep that much because we try, but shit. I like to get up. I get up at 3 in the morning anyway, but when I get up early sometimes just because I can't sleep because I'm so excited, or some dumb fuck. Let me read the letter and I'll tell you another reason why I get up early. Stupid fuckers around here. Man, these fuckers are idiots. God. God gave us a brain. My mom used to say that all the time. You're like, God gave you a brain, use it. She said that to everybody. God gave us all a brain. Why don't you fucking use it? Use your fucking brain, people. Use your fucking brain. Damn. Fuck you, people. I don't understand. I say this like in my head every day. Why are people so fucking stupid? Okay, let me get to the letter and then we're gonna because I need a break. I got done running. I gotta go back to Whole Foods for my mini. But look, loves me. Greg loves me. Cleveland loves me. Look at that. What the fuck? Now I got I thought I didn't even know I had something in my teeth. I brushed my teeth. What the fuck? All right. It makes me cry every time. Who does that? He taped a note on my door. I love you. I love you too, Cleveland. I do. But I'm going to marry Ricky, okay? All right. So it says, Liberty, hey, sorry if I woke you up at 3:30 starting my RV. This is what it really says. And he has nice writing too. You wouldn't be able to read my writing, so that's why I don't write. I type. I'll print you out a note, okay? You're worth it, okay? Some asshole up... This is what it really said. Some asshole uphill from us dumped their toilet tank down the curb, and it ran down to us, and oh fuck, I just remembered. I better check my shoes. Okay, anyway. Some asshole uphill from us dumped their toilet tank down the curb, and it ran down to us and dammed up. I think it says dammed up. I don't know what that means. Dammed up in front of our tires. It smells. It's what I love about it, because it smells like it. And then he inserted it. Fucking. He inserted fuck. Fuck yeah, baby. I do love you, Cleveland. I do. Smells like a fucking fuck. Yeah, it feels good to say fuck. I love saying fuck. Well, anyway, fuck it. Fuck. Okay, you see my mouth? All right. Smells like a fucking restroom in a park. Oh, yeah, it smells like a fucking restroom in a park. That's true. Like a public, it really does. And yeah, I know y'all remember when you saw my TikTok and I was tripping out. That's why. I go in there, get to lock the door. It was nice in Santa Monica. Got 2 bathrooms in the park. And the homeless people used them all. But, you know, and there was a guy came and he cleaned it. And a few guys, I felt sorry for them. I really did. I talked to them. Jesus loves you. I did say that. I mean, but it's funny because it's like, they don't care. They just want money. They would do anything. And I do mean anything for money. That's sad. You gotta love yourself, man. Respect. Respect my authority. Anyway, it smells like a fucking restroom in a park. I tried to get my back wheels away from the curb, but couldn't because of my car. Love, Greg. All right, it doesn't say love, but he does. Cleveland loves me. Let me tell you a little one note. Before I go, let me just say this. Cleveland, consider this your only warning. Next time, I'm going to get in that ass. Trust me. When I say the next time you write a fucking note, the very next fucking time, you better write me more notes. Okay, Cleveland? You better. But here's the thing. Next time you write me a note, have the fucking common courtesy. Have some fucking, either tear that shit off. You see that? Perforated edges, bitch. I just noticed that. What the fuck? You can't tear that off, you lazy motherfucker. You can't okay. Either tear it off, but here's what I recommend highly. Instead, buy my composition book, baby. I'm worth it. And guess what? The money goes to charity, okay? Most of the money goes to Feeding America. I only make a couple bucks off of this. I make like $2. One goes to Feeding America, okay? So buy this. The link's below. I love you guys. Alexia, Nick, Cleveland, everybody who's watching. Mom. Hi, Mom. Hey, look at me on my TV. All right. Love you. Camper life. Out. Holla at your girl. All my links are below. I'm worth it. You're worth it.